Okay, I gotta whisper because our neighbor is here. Somebody stole her pink bike that she's had for 25 years and she's been depressed ever since. We couldn't find one, and I found this used one online, and Phil and I, my good buddy, my neighbor, we picked this up yesterday. I went to get a basket for her, but they didn't have any, and here we go. Marlene, I need you to close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. Please promise, keep your eyes closed. Here you go. We got something for you.
Oh my God.
We couldn't find your original one.
Oh my.
But we searched and searched and searched, and we found a used one for you, and we went and bought it yesterday because we knew how heartbroken you were.
But you might have to adjust seat.
I can adjust the seat. I can adjust the handlebars.
Yeah.
Give it a try. It's called a beach cruiser.
It's a Trek.
Not bad, eh?
Trek with a good
Not bad, eh?
For bike. Yeah.
Now we can adjust the handlebars. I got tools right here, right now.
Is it
like,
the same? Very similar?
It's similar.
Yeah.
We went to buy a basket today, but they don't have any because it's not summertime anymore.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Pretty wheels.
I mean, I miss my bike so much. I said, I just want any bike. Just.
Well, we knew how depressed you were from that bike you had for many years.
It has really depressed me.
And we're so proud to have you as a neighbor and a friend. And 80 years old, you're still riding.
What can I say to have people like that?
So anyway, do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay.
I love it.
Jack and David.
Oh my
Do I take it for a spin and see if it works?
Well, adjust it first.
Yeah.
Do you want me to adjust the bars, the seat, anything?
Do you want to adjust anything here, or are you okay like that?
I'm gonna just. You have to get used to it. Do you know? If I would wait longer, you lose your confidence.
Yeah. Let's walk into it.
So this is.
It's called paying it back. Or paying it forward, actually.
My goodness.
What do you think, dear? We wanted to surprise you. Her bike was stolen, and it was a pink bike, and we looked everywhere to get her a new bike, and we couldn't. They don't exist. Yeah, it's from Jim, Phil, and I. We went in and bought this for you. I got you a new lock inside too. Now I haven't adjusted anything yet, so look at her, 80 years old. God bless her. God bless her, eh? I think we just made her day. Listen to her. We're not looking for kudos or pats on the back. We just wanted to make an example. This is what you do when you have a neighbor that's a shut-in who lives just up the street from you. And just wanted to share that with you. We just made an 80-year-old woman that came from Austria in 1953 who had a beautiful pink bike exactly like that one for almost 30 years, and someone stole it. Anyway, that's our story. And she is way up. She's way up there. Let's see, I'm trying to zoom in. I think she's happy. Oh, she's flying on this thing. She's flying. Look at her, yeah.
Oh yeah, I think you have to maybe adjust a little bit something.
I'll adjust the seat and the bars for her. It's too bad we couldn't get a basket, but that's okay. Spring's coming. Pay it forward. It costs nothing to be kind. What do you think, Marlene?
As if I never was without a bike.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Is it right nice? Do you need any adjustments to adjust it?
You know,